Ogwami Bikers people, it's your favorite stuntman Phillips Clinton on this one here. Join me on this ride with Bondoro and Ocean 11 as we take you on a ride with us from Lagos to Gateway City, Ogun State for the Rev Up 4.0. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride with us. Cheers!
I know, say na you. No, it's not you, show. Bob, yeah.
You follow me by IG, abi?
Yeah, channel, ready.